All right, so in this step, I'm going to show you how to buy a phone number and how to set up 10DLC. So for this, we're going to look up 888. We'll search for 800 this time. And we're going to put in here AIVA, the name of this. This is going to be an AIVA demo. Caller ID is going to be Map Solutions. And for this, we're going to put in demo for the tag. And then I will be the owner, and we're going to record inbound calls. So we're going to go ahead and order it. It's going to run through, and once we're done ordering it, we'll be able to set up our 10DLC. Now that we have it, you can see here, call status enabled. SMS is temporarily enabled, but we don't have a plan, so we need to put in a plan. So we're going to create new. So what we did, we clicked on it, and we click on the drop down, and we create a new plan. So what we're going to do is we're going to run through, and we're going to do a low mixed volume because we're not doing big blasts, and it's mixed volume. So you can see here it says low throughput, any combination of use cases. Examples include test demo accounts with sub use case, account notifications, customer care, and marketing. We are going to be doing marketing on this, but we're also going to be doing demos and touch bases. So we definitely want a mixed, but we're not doing big blasts, so we can go ahead and do low volume mixed. So the next step is going to be describe what type of messages you will send. We will be sending messages from, and we always want to put the company that we're sending the message from in this example because we want to plead our case so that they know exactly we are not spamming, we're not doing anything against the 10DLC guidelines, and that we are above board. So we want to go ahead and put in every piece of information we can. So we're going to continue here. We're going to put in messages from, and you have to use the business name, not any DBAs or anything like that. It has to match the EIN that you're going to be using. So that's really pretty much it. We're describing what type of messages. So then we also put in here the reply stop. So we are mandated that we need to put in our business name. We give them an exact use case. Our customers and prospects will be doing a demo of our AIVA system. They may include some demo marketing content as we showcase how we build the system. Example. So we always want to put an example too. Hey, customer name, because we use variables, hope you were well. We're reaching out to see if you had a chance to test our AIVA system. If not, please reach out to and speak with Ava, and she can walk you through it. Reply stop to be removed from our notifications. So we also have to put in the reply stop because that is included with every message. So we want to be exact on how we're doing this. Down here, you can see sample messages exactly like I did up here. So brand name. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take this out. I'm going to copy it. And I'm going to go to ChatGPT. And we're going to save some time here by doing this. So we will paste this in here. And by the way, this is my demo account. I have not set up a 10DLC, so I'm literally walking through exactly how to set up the 10DLC process as I do it for this demo account so that I can showcase this a little bit more using our demo accounts instead of using the temporary. At the beginning of the year, we're going to lose the access to do temporary messages, so the demo account will have to have full 10DLC approval to be able to showcase it. We just registered for this phone number. So what I'm going to do here is duplicate this tab. And now I can go to my phone numbers and we will grab this number and put it into ChatGPT. That works. And now this is going to get us the first one. Okay. So now I'm going to copy this out. We're going back here. We're going to paste this in. Now we're going to copy this out. Go here. And now we have all this done. So makes it a lot faster when we can do it with this sample and just throw it into ChatGPT. We are actually going to be integrating ChatGPT into this eventually, but we don't have it done yet. Once we do that, this step will be redundant and we won't have to do it anymore. But I want to showcase exactly what the process is right now. And as we go, we will be updating these videos. If you're watching this and you see this looks different, we may not have updated this video yet, and we will be in the process of doing that. So my message will include clickable links. My message will include phone numbers. We are going to include all of that in here. So this will be a phone number, and we will have our website as a clickable link as well. So yes, we want those checked. Now here, I'm going to pause this. I'm going to put in my legal company information. And then from there, I will come back on the next page. But here, I'll do some of this. When you do your website, make sure you put the https://. And then the website, private company, nonprofit, or government. In this case, I'm a private company. And then I'm going to put my EIN and I will come back after that. Okay, so we put in our EIN and now we are going to the vertical type. So in this, I will be software. Let's see, information technology is probably the best one. So we'll put that there. Support email address here is going to be okay, so we put in the business information. Now we need to talk about how do users consent to receiving messages. So we're going to give specific details, and when it's just not going to be they click a button and accept the terms, we are going to give the exact terms. We're going to walk them through how they do it, and we're going to do this perfectly every single time. So here we go. So we're going to say checking a box, confirming that they have read our terms and conditions located here. So I'm then going to grab our form with purchase on it. And in fact, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to our website here. Service. Now this is taking AI along the way and it's filling out some of this. So this is really cool. So now I don't have to do anything else with this. That is just done. And now that we have this done, we click next and we are going to confirm and agree. And as you see on 10DLC, there's a $15 setup fee that goes to the carriers and a $1.50 for registration every single month. And we have to agree with this. So we're going to do a $4 fee and we're going to create our plan. So now, congratulations, your SMS plan has been submitted for carrier approval. So that is how we do 10DLC. We have to be very specific about how we do it, and we have to make sure that everything is in order so that we can get approved.